Welcome to the eFresh.com Coffee News. My name is Mylène and these are this week headlines. India January to June coffee exports fall 21%. India coffee prices take a hit on weak demand. Funcafe authorizes $508 million for growers. Northwest Vietnam, ideal for arabica coffee. Starbucks to sell local coffee in UK outlets. India's coffee exports during the January to June period fell 21% on year to 104,013 metric tons due to lower output. A recovery in shipments is unlikely until November, industry officials said. Arabica exports declined 35% on year, while Robusta shipments fell 11% on year during the period, said a senior official with the state-run coffee board. Arabica is mainly used in premium coffees, while Robusta is blended with Arabica beans for a lower-cost option for brewed coffee or processed into instant coffee. Instant coffee exports fell 28% on year during the first half of 2009. The value of total exports during the January to June period fell to $226 million from $342 million in the same period last year. Coffee growers and stockists in India have started feeling the heat in the past 2 to 3 weeks as demand for coffee declined in global market, leading fall in prices in the domestic market too. According to the International Coffee Organization Daily Price Indicator, coffee prices in the international market tumbled to 112.19 US cents per pound on June 24, from a whopping 131.24 cents on June 1st. The international trend has reflected in the domestic market, which witnessed poor coffee transaction in the past 3 weeks. Buyers had taken a wait-and-watch stand as the situation in the international market was not in favor of buyers. The dual international trend reflected in the weekly coffee auction conducted by the Indian Coffee Trade Association in Bangalore. Brazilian coffee farmers will have 1 billion Brazilian reals made available immediately from the country's official coffee fund, the Agriculture Ministry said. The credit from Brazil's official coffee fund known as Funcafe is part of an allocation of 1.8 billion Brazilian reals budgeted for the 2009 calendar year. Of the total, the largest part, 450 million Brazilian reals, will go to helping growers harvest the new crop. Farmers in Brazil tend to count on Funcafe funds to finance much of their harvest and storage of coffee beans rather than relying on private commercial lenders. Harvesting of Brazil's main Arabica coffee crop began in May. Arabica is the principal coffee for export markets. Brazil is the world's biggest coffee producer and exporter. The special mountainous terrain in northwestern Son La province in Vietnam has proved itself to be a suitable place for the development of Arabica coffee trees. Vietnam Coffee and Cocoa Association expert Doan Trieu Nam said that Arabica coffee from Son La province had the same quality as that of Coffee Kingdom, Brazil. Son La now boasts around 3,400 hectares of coffee, producing around 3,500 tons per year, most of which are shipped to the US and the European Union. Arabica coffee, which is of higher price than the Robusta type, is mainly grown in Mae Son and Truan Châu district and Son La city. Deputy Chairman of the Son La Provincial People's Committee, Cam Van Chin, said that a large number of the local residents had escaped poverty thanks to coffee cultivation. US coffee retail giant Starbucks plans to start selling high-grade Rondon coffee that is Fairtrade certified in its 800 outlets in the UK, effective February next year. Starbucks chairman Howard Schultz said the move to buy Fairtrade certified coffee aimed at improving the lives of farmers through better return from their crop and also encouraging better coffee growing practices. This will be the first time Rwandon Fairtrade coffee is sold in the UK. Starbucks has been selling much of Rwandan coffee, mainly within its US outlets. Schulz also announced that Starbucks would set up in Rwanda the first Farmers Support Center for Africa. On top of buying and selling Rwandan coffee, the center will assist farmers in adopting effective farm practices to maximize yields. Thank you for watching the eFresh.com Coffee News. See you next time.